What's new from the Barbados Light and Power Company? With your host, Nicole Scantlebury.
Hello. At Light and Power, safety, leadership, and innovation are important values that enliven our 100-100 vision of 100% renewable energy and 100% electrification for Barbados, and it underpins the government's Sustainable Energy Roadmap for 2030. We are working alongside government, energy partners, civic and individual independent power producers to reach the 2030 goal for Barbados. Stay tuned as we discuss innovation in technology at the Barbados Light and Power Company.
What's news?
Leadership and innovation for a clean energy strategy. Light and Power Technology Roadmap. Innovation in data acquisition and AMI, Advanced Metering Technology. To begin, here is Light and Power's Managing Director, Roger Blackman, speaking at the Sustainable Energy Conference 2019.
Barbados Light and Power has been promoting a 100-100 vision for energy on the island for the last couple of years or so. The first 100 in that 100 vision refers to renewable energy and converting and transforming the energy sector to 100% renewables over time. And the second 100 refers to electrification, or 100% electrification of the sector. And that is aiming or targeting those sectors of the economy that rely on fossil fuels for the energy use, like transportation, and over time converting those sectors to electricity as well. The two work hand in hand, because as you convert transportation to electricity and you convert or transform electricity to renewable energy, it means that you're cleaning up the entire energy sector.
What's new from the Barbados Light and Power Company?
You're listening to What's New Radio with me, Nicole Scantlebury. Our theme for this program is innovation. In 2016, Light and Power commenced the 6-year-long journey of introducing advanced metering infrastructure, or AMI, to Barbados. It was a process to exchange the old analog meter to a new digital meter for all of our 128,000 customers across Barbados. We are over 60% completed, and within the next 9 months, we expect to reach the 100% mark. Well, what does this all mean? Here to answer our questions is Victor Callender, Senior Engineering Manager. Hello, Victor.
Hello, Nicole.
What is AMI?
AMI, Advanced Metering Infrastructure, is an integrated system of smart meters, communication networks, and data management system that enables two-way communication between the utility and customers. The AMI network forms the basis for a modern grid and a sophisticated customer relationship. Now, the Barbados Light and Power's AMI network provides both the capabilities and the information to integrate renewables by providing grid performance, visibility, and scalable communication networks.
How does a smart digital meter function?
These meters allow the utility to access data from commercial customers every 15 minutes and for residential customers every hour using radio frequency communications.
So why the need for AMI? How does this fit in with Light and Power's 100-100 vision?
An advanced metering communication infrastructure program provides the starting point for the transition to the utility of the future. The AMI program establishes the foundations for the intelligent distribution system and the customer engagement platform. It also provides for communication network that provides data required for the analytics to enable new technology required to make the utility grid ready and the foundation for the 100-100 vision. What this really means is that it gives us all the information from the customer voltages, currents, loads, for us to be able to determine how best to supply that customer with current and voltage. This also provides for what we call the Internet of Things. This is like your Alexa, this is like your smart TV, your smart fridge, your smart lights. This enables us to monitor those things.
So are you telling me that Light and Power was planning and preparing for this transition to 100% renewables from more than 6 years ago?
Yes, Nicole. Planning started in 2013, and the first smart meter was installed in 2014.
Thanks, Victor. Thank you so much again for coming. I look forward to learning so much more about the new AMI technology in the months ahead.
Thank you, Nicole.
You're welcome.
What's new from the Barbados Light and Power Company?
My guest today is Munishwar Parashram, Manager, Information and Communication Technology, ICT, at Light and Power. Welcome to What's New Radio, Munishwar. I believe this is the first time that you have joined us.
That's right, Nicole, and thanks for having me.
Technology is key to innovation in business today, and it is critical to Light and Power's business strategy. We've invited you today to share a little of our technology roadmap and how it relates to the operations and to our customers. To use the roadmap analogy, where did we start? When did Light and Power start making significant changes to its technology capability?
So we at Light and Power have always viewed leveraging technology as a key component of our strategy. So as a result, over the years, we've constantly been working at finding the best ways to integrate technology to see how it can benefit our customers, our operations, our efficiency. Thus, say about 5 years ago, we started to develop an overall roadmap on how we can utilize the emerging technologies at the time, such as automated metering, or better known as AMI, and Internet of Things as an electric utility. We first determined what would be the foundational pieces that would bring the greatest benefits to our customers, but also the systems that could act as enablers for our future platforms. We identified systems such as AMI, our Geographic Information System, or GIS, and our overall asset management and workforce application. Then we identified all the other systems that would come afterwards, such as mobile apps, drone workflows, mobile workforce applications for our guys out in the field, etc. We then identified a framework on how we would ensure that each of these applications can speak to each other and integrate to allow easy flow of data. The last, but certainly not least, part of the roadmap was then how do we ensure a strong cybersecurity framework around all these technologies that maintains confidentiality and integrity of the data.
Wow, that sounds like significant planning was needed for transitioning to digital capability. Could you tell me more about how you went about doing this?
For sure, Nicole. So we definitely took a very systematic approach where we got feedback from all over. Within the organization, we spoke to persons in engineering, customer care, etc. But then we also got feedback from various stakeholders, so our customers, our vendors, our partners, etc. And we tried to build what are the needs of our customers, not just now, but in the future. So based on this, we identified the various technologies that we felt will allow us to deliver an improved customer experience whilst improving our reliability and safety. We also ensured that this was a continuous process because technology changes all the time, and we want to make sure that as differences happen in technology, that we will be on top of it.
Could you tell me a little bit more about how our technology innovation benefits our customers?
We've put a lot of focus on how we can improve the overall experience of our customers through technology. And as an end result, we'll be launching a number of new initiatives in the future. The first one is really our BLPC Connect app. That's going to be a mobile app where customers can conveniently report problems related to poles, trees, and streetlights directly from their mobile devices. Additionally, in a few months, we'll be releasing a revamped website with a customer support area where our customers can log queries, make service requests, search for information on our products and services, engage with our support representatives via web chat, and much more. Additionally, the website will have an interactive outage map that will allow customers to be notified of both planned and unplanned outages.
Wow. Could you tell me in what other areas of the company are the new technological advancements happening?
So there's definitely a lot going on across the company as it relates to technology. We're in one of the big ones right now is we're currently upgrading our SCADA system, which is the system we use to monitor and control our distribution network. So that's really a network that allows us to feed power to our customers. So once we complete the upgrade and we pair it with our AMI project and our GIS systems, it will allow us greater capability in troubleshooting faults and outages while maintaining overall safety. Similarly, we have utilized technology to create a vegetation management model that maps vegetation across the island that are close to our power lines to better assist in our proactive tree trimming program, along with looking to introduce a drone inspection program for our poles and other critical assets.
Looking down the road now, 2030 is the year the government has earmarked for a sustainable, clean energy Barbados. How can Light and Power's role as an innovator in the area of technology contribute to that goal?
So as we continue to add renewable systems to the grid, it starts to shift into a true energy internet, where all the systems involved will need to be smart and connected, not just from an energy flow perspective, but also from how information and business will work. So from an information perspective, we'll need to have an understanding of what's being generated, if there are difficulties with the generation system, etc. And obviously from a business perspective, knowing how much is being generated at what particular times. And since this will obviously be integrating from small homeowners to large businesses as independent power producers, we need to make sure that the connectivity is robust and reliable across the board. So us as Light and Power, with our experience in AMI where we've managed over thousands of devices that connect wirelessly, is going to give us the experience to manage how we communicate across the board with all these independent power producers to make sure that everyone is delivering power in a safe, efficient and reliable manner.
Thank you so much for joining us, Munesh. Lots of great and useful information. But before you go, can you answer a question from our inbox?
Sure, Nicole.
Incoming mail. Inbox.
Hello, I am Munesh Parashram, Manager of Information and Communication Technology. Here's a question from our Facebook page, BLPC Online. Can I pay my bill online using my credit card? Customers can pay their monthly electricity bill through third-party providers such as your bank and SurePay Online using their credit card. The electronic process is easy. Once you're an e-billing customer, you'll receive the electricity bill online and then you can make that payment online as well via one of the third-party providers. However, Light and Power does not accept payments via credit cards as a method of payment at our Garrison location, but you can pay via cash, check, or debit card.
Thanks to our customer on Facebook for that question. And thanks to Munesh for providing the answer. Our inbox is your space to have your queries aired and answered. You can post a question on Facebook or Instagram, BLPC Online, or email what'snew@blpc.com.bb.
What's new from the Barbados Light and Power Company?
Do you know?
Do you know?
Did you know that Light and Power utilizes comprehensive digital maps to allow the company to see where its assets are from a laptop, tablet, or smartphone? This visual representation creates the foundation for several of the utility's applications to manage its assets. One such app is the Customer Connect app, which allows customers to submit reports on poles, trees, and streetlights. And then there are the company's drones. The drones are used to conduct inspections safely and efficiently. No traffic to navigate, and large areas are covered from one location. Light and Power's maps, apps, and drones epitomize innovative thinking.
Thanks, Jennifer. Thank you for your time today. Tune in next month for Innovation in Business. My co-host will be Kim Griffith-Tang Hao, Director, Customer Solutions at Light and Power. Kim has overall responsibility for the business solutions, market performance and analysis, and regulatory affairs business units. So, we look forward to some insights into leadership and innovation in business next month. If you would like to make a comment on this program or have an insight to share, we'd like to hear from you. You can email us at what'snew@blpc.com.bb or you can phone a customer service representative at 626-4300. For up-to-date information about our services, use our Facebook or Instagram page, BLPC Online, or Twitter at TweetBLPC. You can also call our hotline at 626-9000 for emergency assistance. And you can report and track a service problem by using our new app, BLPC Connect, available as a free download to your mobile device. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Nicole Scanterbury, Communications Advisor with the Barbados Light and Power Company. Till next time, bye for now.
This program was produced for the Barbados Light and Power Company by SFA Communications.